This pump was working when we got it. It's in very good condition. We're gonna be doing some light remodeling to it. We're gonna be changing some wear parts and stuff like that. We're gonna be changing piston cups. We're gonna be washing it, making sure that all the bearings are rotating properly. Wear parts, as you can see right here, are in very good shape. That's the cutting ring, and the wear plate is in great shape. Again, the piston cups are gonna be replaced, and we're gonna be putting the fenders on it, and potentially we're gonna be looking at the engine, and what we're gonna do with the engine is we're gonna do a light tune-up on it, so it's not as loud. We're gonna be replacing hydraulic oil, the gauges here, the throttle cable is gonna go, the key switch is a little bit messed up, so we're gonna replace that. Engine oil, fuel filters, engine filters, and the whole tune-up in it. And then from there, we're gonna go into a little bit of hydraulics and make sure everything is working as it should. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go to our website, liveequipment.com, and you can see a complete list of equipment we have available for sale. Or just keep navigating through this channel. Have a great day.